Welcome back. In today's video we will show you how to make music play from your left, right, center, bass, surround left and surround right speakers in Audacity. First, we need to enable a feature that will allow us to make 5.1 surround sound. Do it as shown on screen. Let's start by adding our audio to Audacity. Just drag and drop the song or sound into Audacity by clicking and holding the left mouse button while dragging it in. Next, right-click on the sound and select Split Stereo to Mono. Now click Select and press Ctrl and D 3 times. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and delete the bottom 3 soundtracks like shown on screen. Now go to the top of the page and rename the first soundtrack to left, then the one below to right, next to center, like shown on screen. Okay, once you're done with that, go to the one you named bass. It needs to be the 4th track from the top. Click Select, then on the top of the screen hover over Edit, and press Remove Special, and press Silence Audio. Now that we have done with the editing, we can go to File and save it. Do it like shown on screen. It needs to be a WAV format. This screen should look like this, if not make it like this. That's how you can make 5.1 surround sound in Audacity. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please click the subscribe button and like the video. It helps me to make content like this. Have a nice day. Bye.